properties of triangle, in which first is the theorem which says that angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So let us consider a triangle ABC, which is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC. This is given. Then to prove that angle opposite to equal sides are equal, that is angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Let us draw the angle bisector of the angle A. So draw AD, the angle bisector of angle A, that is angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. This is our construction. Now to prove, in triangle BAD and triangle CAD, say AB is equal to AC, it is given. AB is equal to AC, given. AD is equal to AD, common, and angle between these two sides, that is BAD is equal to angle CAD by construction. Therefore, triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD. And what is the rule here involved? It is side angle side rule. This implies that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. And this is by CPCT. So hence we can write this as ABC is equal to angle ACB. Hence proved. We will consider another property of isosceles triangles next time. Thank you.